Hey, I'm Linda Blaylock. I completely understand how confusing, how scary, and how frustrating it can be when you're trying to manage your kidney diet, but you can't seem to find the support that you need. And it's really disheartening when doctors really aren't providing any help. Well, that's because they are mainly focused on the medical side. They don't fully understand the nutritional needs of a kidney diet. And for many, seeing a dietitian may not be an option, either due to cost or maybe accessibility. And for those that do, a lot of times the advice that you're given pretty much feels generic and it isn't showing you how to actually manage the diet on your own. You're going to leave that appointment and you may have this list of do's and don'ts and maybe what to eat, what not to eat, but you're still feeling overwhelmed and you still are not sure, well, what can I eat? And how do I use this information that I was just given? How do I piece this together? Right? This is exactly why I do what I do. And this is why I chose to provide my services online. There are far too many people that, just like you, are struggling. They're looking for personalized, practical guidance to manage their diet effectively. And I want to reach as many people as I possibly can. So by offering my CKD Nutritional Program online, I can guide more people each and every day than I could in an office setting. Plus, this is ensuring that you have access to real support and you have the actionable steps that you need to feel empowered to manage your kidney health. There is a structured, real approach to building a personalized kidney diet that meets your specific needs. And I'm here to help walk you through those steps. Now, you don't have to feel lost or alone in this. Many people are coming to me saying, I am just overwhelmed. I don't know where to start and I don't know what to do. If you haven't found the real help that you need, you have found it now. And we're going to take it one step at a time. And together we're going to create a foundation that works for you. So read through the site, find out more information, determine if this is what you've been looking for and if this is right for you. And please make sure to check out that testimonial page. See what other people are saying with their experience with this as well. I'd love to help you.